Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are using Android phone and Android phone installed CellFin apps by Google Play Store. CellFin is very important for Islamic Bank online account. But camera option not allow CellFin apps. Use people complain CellFin apps camera not allow problem face. This video watching, hopefully your problem is solved. Now click your setting option and search apps and types apps option. Already now manage apps option click and after showing CellFin types and showing CellFin click and apps permission and camera not allow showing allow camera option. Already your problem is solved. Thank you watching my video.